Hey guys, this is a very unexpected video of a pack opening, and you'll see why. Sorry for the beginning. Tyus opened the first pack, then I did another one, then my friend did another one. But anyhow, it's a pack opening. Sorry, it's random, and I was not even doing it. I just kind of recorded it. I did not meant it to be a video, but it's a video. Okay? Sorry.
First one.
Yes.
What one is the best one that we can?
This is the only one we should. This thing has a whole character, but it's not legendary. This thing is the only one that has a legendary available.
Legend.
It's fine if you don't get it, because I still have. That's not legendary, but it's
Dang
okay.
it.
It's still good to get though.
Next, now one.
Yes.
Whoa.
No, that game is nothing.
Boom. But I'm gonna give you something way better than this. Look at this one, right? Yeah.
Don't be legendary.
Watch this, gonna be way better.
It's gonna be way worse.
It made a nice noise. Oh, well, unlock character.
Yes!
Dang it.
Oh, I feel like they
Dude, I hope I get something good. Yo! I got a legendary, not character piece, but a hat. Hot beans. Whoa. That looks good. I just got a legendary character. Dude, that's like my favorite one too. Scallywag Imp. I'm showing this video to Anthony. Dude, 2. That is no way. There's no way. Nah. Sorry if I'm sick, but I'm going to post this on YouTube. I don't care. It's gonna do this for a video, but I'm sick. Okay, I got plenty more. But I'm just getting too crazy stuff to not post it, so I have to. That's why I always record my pack openings. Okay, that was the last one. Pretty good stuff. Dude, I was just playing a legendary character too that I got last time. Already have Scallywagon. This guy. It's absolute fiend. Absolute Chad. Sorry if there's background noise. Family's watching something, but dude, that is so epic. Yeah. My friend and my brother helped me open them too. Those were the people at the beginning. Dude. Yeah, this is a very unprepared video, but that is so sick. Okay, guys. See you later.